tavi kokina. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring out the window at the darkness, till boredom overtook us. Te kivumi daru veitalano. You've been playing hard to get with me all night. Daru kila told you exactly what you want, right? Don't tell me what you won't do. Kayomai, what you gon' do? What you gon' do? You beauty Naita, tukunaga maina kaugadreva. Namatamu naiva ko and I can't live it. I know daru bogi ni kuame ya tovani siga navanu. When she finished speaking, she turned back toward the window and whispered to us over Lekamai. And somewhere in the darkness, Kotaura Naligaku, Hausakila Nogubogi Edai, Hausamata Lodina. You caught my heart, Naita. Lo manito lilioya, tukuni